Crochet Forget-Me-Not flower tutorial for Mother's Day. Make a magic ring. Make 5 single crochet in a magic ring. Slip stitch on the first single crochet. Chain 4 times. Make 2 times treble crochet on the same stitch as slip stitch. Chain 4 times. And then slip stitch on the next single crochet. Chain 4 times. Make 2 treble crochet on the same stitch as slip stitch. Make chain 4 times and then slip stitch on the next stitch. Make chain 4 times. 2 times treble crochet on the same stitch as slip stitch. Make chain 4 times and then slip stitch on the next stitch. Make chain 4 times. 2 times treble crochet on the same stitch as slip stitch. Make chain 4 times and then slip stitch on the next stitch. Make chain 4 times. 2 times treble crochet on the same stitch as slip stitch. Make chain 4 times and then slip stitch on the first stitch. Cut the remaining yarn. Make 10 pink forget-me-not flower and 10 white forget-me-not flower. Let's make middle part of flower. Use yellow yarn and follow my example. Tie the remaining yarn to the wire. Cut the remaining yarn. I use hot glue to stick the green yarn and make a stem. Stick each big stem with 5 flowers. Let's make leaf. Let's make small leaf. Make a slip knot. Make 16 times chain. Start from second chain, make single crochet to the wire. Half double crochet. Make 9 double crochet. Two times half double crochet. Single crochet. Make 3 times single crochet on the last stitch. And then turn. Make single crochet. 2 times half double crochet. Nine times double crochet. Cut the remaining yarn. Half double crochet. Single crochet. Slip stitch. Chain and cut the remaining yarn. Let's make big leaf. Make a slip knot. Make 21 single crochet. Make single crochet to the wire. Half double crochet. 14 times double crochet. Two times half double crochet. Single crochet. 3 times single crochet on the last stitch. Turn and make single crochet on the next stitch. 2 times half double crochet. Fourteen times double crochet. Half double crochet. Single crochet. Slip stitch on the first single crochet. Chain and cut the yarn. I use hot glue gun to stick the big stem, small leaf, and big leaf. It's done. Now let's make a bouquet. Cut the paper into 4 and it's ready to wrap. I use one big white tissue paper to make it cute. Time to wrap the flowers and turn it into a bouquet. For the outside, I use gold paper to make it awesome. Add ribbon to make it cute. Since it's for Mother's Day, so I printed text and put it in the bouquet. Or you can just write it. I would like to say Happy Mother's Day for all mother in the world. You are amazing.